Hello, moms and dads. Let's make reading fun for our kids. The first one, rolling tubes. To make it, you need cardboards, 2 empty tubes, glue, felt pens, and scissors. Then you can decorate the empty tubes, put one inside the other one so they roll. Then you can use the cardboards to write the sounds so you can change them anytime. And finally, you write the sounds, creating words like this. Your child will roll the tubes, changing the sounds, and read them, doing the blending. The second game, flip-flop notebook. All what you need is a notebook, scissors, and felt pens. Cut several pages in 3 paper strips, like this. Now write the sounds. At the end of this video, I leave you the sounds you can write on each strip. The children can play in 2 different ways. They can either read the sounds that they look for, or look for the sounds that you tell them, and finally read the word. The third game, the reading traffic light. As in a traffic light, what you need is 2 red circles, 2 green circles, and 2 yellow circles. Cut 4 strips like this and fold only 3 of them. Place them between the circles as you see in the video. The 4th strip will become the road for our car. If you don't have a toy car, you can make your own paper car. Let's start reading. At the same time that the child reads the first sound, has to press the red button, the second sound, the yellow button, and the third sound, the green button. When the child blends the letters into a word, the car will move forward until the end of the road. For example, in this case, mat. If we see the blending is difficult for our child, the car could move forward with each sound that the child says. I hope you can make at least one of these games so we make reading fun for our children. I hope you and the children like these games.